So here we are trying to understand the language angle subtended by a chord at a point. So a kind of a meaning of subtend is to make. Okay, so whenever you see the language subtend, just cancel it and use the word made, angle made or make by a chord at the point, whatever the language suits you guys at that moment of time. So angle made by a chord at a point, so you can convert it in this way. So I am asking you guys to use this word because it will make things simpler to understand. The exact meaning of subtend, you guys can web search that, but yes, using the word to make, if not made, will help you guys to clear the question up. Okay, now what does it exactly mean? So let's consider a chord first. So this is a chord, right? Chord, this is a chord. So let me draw some random chord. Now angle subtended by the chord on the major axis. So this is PQ. The major axis for this is PAQ. So angle subtended by this chord with a major axis is something like this. So this is an example. This is another example. This is another example. Okay. So this is an angle subtended by the chord. This is your chord with its major axis. So that's your example of major axis. So it is true for minor axis also. That is, say you have a chord, again something like this. So here the minor arc is at this end. So this is P and say this is Q or B. So now the diagram will look something like this. So this is the angle subtended by the chord with the minor axis. Now a chord subtending angle at the center. Again, it can subtend with anything, but yeah, we need to know this particular language. So this is the center, that's a chord, so that's your diagram. Okay, another chord, angle subtended by that chord with the center. So one more chord, that's the angle subtended by the chord with the center. Okay, again it can be anywhere and anyhow, and it doesn't matter. Right, I hope you guys understood the language. If you get confused, just think about the word make or made. Right, so this three cases, and yes, you need to draw this. So you can use anything that is circular, draw a circle with that, or you can use protractor also, draw a circle. And please make a neat note of this because the language is important. The whole chapter is based on this language.